Hello my lovely friends. Today's gonna be a fun video. It's gonna be a fun video because I'm at an autocross event and it's a hot one. It's supposed to be like almost 30 degrees today, so I hope I don't get heat stroke. Of course, so this is the starting box. Starts out of focus, it crosses over here, whoop, and then goes back out around, way out here. Little slalom there. And it's got a really tight hairpin right here. And then a slalom and then out to the finish line. So I'm just on my rest break right now. If you're not familiar with autocross, you race, then you work out on the course or whatever work assignment you're assigned, and then you have a resting break where you can just chill out, have some rides with other drivers to get familiar with the course. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. So there's no more loaner helmets. They're all being used by other people, so I can't ride along with anyone because I need a helmet. So I've been right for not buying my own helmet. I need to get one soon. So we'll cut to me driving now. So close. Oh, so close. That's what I wanted. Get the 55, but I still did better than I thought. I didn't think I'd get to the low 56s, but I did. Wow, what an event. I had a blast. It was fun, it was adrenaline rushed, it was exhausting because it was so hot, but I had an amazing time. The tires, that's one of the main things. That's what I was most excited about, is testing out the tires. And the tires, I can tell you, they're absolutely awesome. I love them. the car is so much more controllable at the limit. Before, with my winter tires and the all-season tires and the events I did on those, the car wouldn't really rotate when I wanted it to, off throttle, in a corner. If I wanted to get the nose in, it wouldn't always do it. It was very unpredictable. Sometimes it would do it, sometimes it wouldn't. It was hard to control. But now with these tires, it's much more controllable on the limit, and I can make it rotate pretty much when I want. And yeah, because of that, the cars, I set my times were a lot faster. So yeah, the tires are awesome. I'm super pleased with them. I definitely would buy them again. The car also felt way more competitive. I was talking to a Fiesta ST driver, and his time wasn't that much faster than mine. And I know he's a good driver for sure. So the car is definitely more competitive, and now I'm more motivated to put more money into it, lower it, get better suspension, and drop my times. Next event, I need to get brakes because these brakes they're shot. The rotors are pretty much toast. So that's probably next on the list. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate it. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.